If you sell real estate, then you've probably heard the phrase, you have to learn to earn. The meaning, of course, is that you have to continue to acquire skills and knowledge if you want to outperform those who do not. Now, I believe this to be true not just in real estate, but in almost all careers and endeavors. Hi, my name's Chris Scott. I'm a real estate digital marketer and AI strategist at the Paperless Agent. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a ChatGPT prompt to extract knowledge and get answers from rare or unique sources of information, and to be able to get higher quality answers than ChatGPT or any other AI tool could get on its own. Now, the first step is to find a source of knowledge that you want to use. I'm going to use this one. I was listening to a podcast the other day about how to build up your glute muscles. Don't ask me why. Let's just say I wanted to round out my workouts. Now, this video features an expert on building up your glutes. It's a doctor who invented the hip thruster movement. So this video is over 3 hours long. While I did listen to it, let's say I didn't want to listen to it. I just wanted to figure out what's a really good workout routine to build up my glutes. Let's just say I want that question answered, but I want it done by, or I want it answered by this specific expert. So all I have to do is grab the transcript. I'm going to go to share. I'm going to go to copy. I am then going to go to a tool called tactic.io, and I'm going to go to solutions. I'm going to go to YouTube transcript. I'm going to paste the URL and click on get YouTube transcript. I can see or read the transcript here. I can scroll down and then just download the transcript. Now what I can do is go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to upload that transcript like so. And then I'm going to drop this prompt into ChatGPT. This is a transcript of a podcast. Vectorize this information, create a summary of the podcast with key points. So rather than have to go through all 3 hours of the podcast to understand what it was about, I can get the real key essence of what was covered. I can see what the core themes are. I can see what the key talking points were. We've got training frequency, sets and volume, and these are all the things that were actually discussed in the podcast. I know because I did listen to the entire podcast. So we have here everything that was covered in it, and even a section on applied takeaways. But let's say I wanted to get a really specific question answered. And I'm just going to copy and paste it because I've already got it off to my notes here. But I will read it for you guys so you can see what this is. What is a simple workout routine I can do to quickly build up my glutes? Now, rather than having to go and do the research or figure it all out or listen to the podcast and find where in the podcast he discusses what I might want to do, here I've got a very specific glute routine. It's a 3-day glute routine coming right out of the podcast based on this expert's knowledge of what I can do. So I do a warm up. I'm going to do hip thrusts, squats, Romanian deadlifts, abductor movements. Gives me a little bit of insights on what to do in terms of progression and rest and so on and so forth, and a few notes. Let's say I don't know what one of these things are. Let's say I don't know what that hip thruster is. How do I do a hip thrust? And then it'll describe to me specifically what I need to do that hip thrust. Now imagine all the things that we could learn that could be compressed into a simple and interactive experience where I get the answers that I need without having to consume all the extra knowledge that may not apply to the problem I have at hand or maybe not be relevant to me. You can use blogs, books, papers, videos, podcasts, really anything that's digitized, and use that as a unique source of knowledge to get the answers that you want using this specific technique. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can continue to get useful, practical, and profitable tips and strategies. I'll see you in the next video.